What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safezone Unicorn Network video. Let's go! Hey folks, how is everyone doing? Well, today, guys, I believe, very interesting news. But if you want to learn everything about them, guys, don't forget to stay till the end of the video. And as always, don't forget to give that like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, turn on your notifications so that you can receive all of my latest updates. Now, guys, today I am going to talk to you about the Pernum multi-wallet, which is live already. So, for those of you that don't know, this is the Safezone back office. This is the main hub for all of our Unicorn Network projects, and from here you can go to the different projects that we have. And for the Pernum, as you can see, we have all these different types of hexagons. We click on Pernum, and here on the Pernum you can see your wallet, which is exactly what we want to go. Then a messenger, this is MoneyPawn, directs you to MoneyPawn. And actually, guys, I did way back a video about MoneyPawn that if you want, you can check that out. I'll leave that video on the cards and on the description. And this one is going to direct you also to the Prizemania website, where you will be able to earn YAM for free just for betting on, or just for clicking on a button, actually, guys. And you can also be a winner every 10 minutes of different types of things. I also, guys, did a video on Prizemania, and I will leave that video on the cards and on the description. So let's go to the Pernum wallet. We click there, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. So if you aren't logged in, you need to insert your Pernum, which is your, as you can see here, guys, it's a 10-digit number that, as you can see, doesn't say who is it, right? So it masks all of your details, and making, besides the access to your details impossible, also giving you much more privacy to anyone that wants to be a part of the Unicorn Network. Then this is another feature that we have, which is the master pin. So every time that you log into one of our websites, besides the Pernum and the password, obviously, you need to insert 3 random digits from your master pin, which is a 6-digit code that you have to set up whenever you join the Unicorn Network. And in this case, guys, I have to enter the number 3, 6, and the number 1 from my master pin. So just give me a sec. Now I insert it, I click on next. And as you can see, guys, here is the brand new look for our Pernum multi-wallet, guys. Very cool. Down below you will see the total value that you have in YAM, and down below here the value in US dollars, and also the value, in my case, my currency, I'm in Europe, so it's the euro. So in terms of euros, this is going to be the value that I have in my Pernum wallet in terms of euros. Then, as you can see, we have 4 types, okay, of wallets. So we have our YAM wallet. So you click there, and you will be able to see the values in YAM, so your balance, also the value in US dollars and in euros. In my case, this is going to appear your currency, okay, your specific currency. Then the FYM means your free YAM if you have any, okay? Then the POS, it's going to be the proof of stake. So if you have any amount of balance in the proof of stake. And finally, bids. So this is about our YAM bids platform, and it's a very cool. The YAM bids. It's a very, guys. I already won several auctions, and on the YAM bids, guys. And I also did a few videos about the YAM bids. I will leave those videos on the cards and on the description, and also in here appears the balance that you have sent to your YAMBids wallet, and down below again the total of your YAM wallet value down below in here. Then we go back, and then we have the Fiat Wallet. So this is either, if I suppose, if you receive commissions in fiat currency, and eventually if you send some money to your Pernum wallet, guys, because we are, don't forget, very soon, around, from what I've heard, it's going to be around in January, we are going to have the virtual debit card, okay, that is going to be linked to our Pernum wallet, and that is going to be really fantastic. And also we will have, from what I've heard, around April or May, a physical debit card that we are going to be able to have. So in this case, it's going to appear the name in terms of the Fiat wallets in euro, so euro connected to the YAM chain, and US dollars connected to euro to the YAM chain. So these values will be able to appear also on our YAM chain, which is the blockchain that it was created to host our rainbow currency. We like to call it our YAM. It's also its trading symbol, and it stands for your everyday money. So down below you will see the total value in your Fiat wallet, Then we have the assets, the token wallet, and the token wallet has to do with the different tokens that we have on our YAM chain. So it's going to be Solario, the balance that you have, the TC, so the Twnkle estate coin. It's connected with our Twnkle estate website. Also the balance that you have in the value in US dollars and in euros. The TVC, so the Twnkle vacation coin, again the balance that you have, value in dollars and euros in my case. The TMC, so the Twnkle mobility coin, the balance, and the Twnkle shopping coin, the different balances that you have here, guys. Obviously for security reasons I'm going to blur these details, most of them. And finally down below, guys, you will see your token wallet value, the all amounts of value that you have here on your token wallet, which is really cool. And finally, guys, we have our asset wallet, and you click there and you will be able to see the different values that you will have eventually, guys. This is going to be about our Twnkle gold coin. So in terms of gold, you see your balance and the different values. And as you can see, guys, the Twnkle gold coin is available now for you to purchase. If you want, you can click here, buy now, from your Pernum wallet, and you will be able to start purchasing digital gold that is going to be backed up by real gold. Okay, so this is very at the moment we have a special offer, because you can pay 10% in YAM, or if you want to pay everything in fiat currency, you will receive a 10% cashback in YAM, and you will also, if you purchase till the end of the year, you will also receive another extra 3% discount on the current gold rate, which is really awesome. And at the moment, guys, we also have available for you the Twnkle silver coin. You can order also, you can buy now, and guys, you will be able in here to make your purchase. So one Twnkle silver coin, which is going to equal to 1 gram of silver, it's obviously, guys, much cheaper than the gold, obviously, so it's worth 82 cents. Okay, you can enter here the amount that you want to purchase, and also the Twnkle copper coin. You also are able to buy at the moment Twnkle copper coin. You just click on buy now, and you will be able to buy, guys, at the moment 1 kilogram. One Twnkle copper coin is equivalent to 1 kilogram of copper. That is worth $7.75. Then you insert your currency, the amount in US dollars, the Twnkle, in this case Twnkle copper coin that you want to that you get. So you will be able to enter the amount in US dollars. Imagine that you purchase $15, so you're going to have almost 2 Twnkle copper coins, and choose a percentage that you want to pay with yen. You will here choose what you want: 1%, 5%, 10%, or 0, and then the submit button. And finally, guys, we have not already available, but this is going to appear very soon, I'm sure, the Twnkle lithium coin, and the Twnkle platinum coin, and the Twnkle oil coin. So these are going to be other assets that you will be able to purchase and to accumulate all digitally, but they are all going to be backed up by real gold, silver, copper, lithium, platinum, and oil. That's obviously, I don't believe that you will be able to get, obviously, oil, but the other ones I am sure that you will be able to get. And guys, this is the great news about the Pernum multi-wallet that is going to be a household name that is going to help a lot of people seeing the value that you have here with the Pernum multi-wallet, and another way for them to start getting more assets, more value to whatever you want to accumulate. Okay, guys? So, guys, don't forget down below to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. And as always, it's a pleasure being here with you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you very soon.